Hi, welcome to Hard Read Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, battery for DYMO printer. As you can see here, we have the DYMO Mobile Labeler. As you can see, here is my specification of device. I have DYMO ML-C84D, and this is the battery for this device. And if you're searching for newly polymer battery for your DYMO Mobile Labeler, so this video was, I hope this video was helpful for you, because this battery, this is the model name of this battery, and you can just buy it, or I don't know, maybe on AliExpress, in DYMO and other websites where these batteries you can buy. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.